Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and this color wheel. First color name red color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, light pink color, yellow color and brown color. Kids, shapes drawing green color. Shapes drawing kids green color. Circle, hexagon, moon, triangle, star, heart. Color wheel kids, blue color, blue color, circle, orange color, hexagon, green color, moon, yellow color, triangle, pink color, star, purple color, heart, circle, hexagon, moon, triangle, star, heart. Please video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.